In a world where the garbage problem is completely out of control, the Viral Trashtag challenge is the challenge we all need right now. Finally, a challenge that encourages the betterment of humanity instead of the gradual decline of it. Welcome back to InformOverload, the news channel that tells you about everything that's trending on the internet. I'm Charlotte Dobre. If you're new here, hit that subscribe. And before I get into this video, tell me down there in the comments, what is your favorite outdoor activity that you like to do? Skiing, biking, swimming, paddleboarding, hiking. I'm a big fan of going to the beach and playing beach volleyball. Summer, come faster! The hashtag Trashtag is going viral on social media right now, and for a very good reason. Hundreds began sharing photos online that show them picking up litter on the street and in city parks, while simultaneously calling out others to do the same. The Trashtag challenge is actually not a new challenge. It's been around for a while. The hashtag Trashtag was started back in 2015 by an outdoor gear company called UCO, who was trying to encourage people to pick up trash in public parks. The goal was to pick up 10,000 pieces of trash by October of 2016. UCO campaigner Cody Hansen had this to say: "It's the only outdoors we have, we all use it for many different things, but it is the only one we have. So let's all do our part and treat it with respect. Let's pick up after ourselves and then pick up extra. It only takes a few minutes of your time to pick up something that'll far outlast us humans if left alone." Now it seems that the challenge is picking up steam again on Reddit, Twitter, and Instagram. People are sharing before and after photos, and it was started by this photo of a wooded area where a man bagged up hundreds of pieces of plastic trash. The photo was shared to the Instagram page The Scientist Facts, and the difference between the two photos is astounding. The first photo, I can't even believe that the trash problem got that bad. It looks like a landfill. People saw this post and started sharing their own submissions. Aditi tweeted, "I don't have a before and after picture, but here's a couple of pictures of me with my family picking up trash from the roadside whenever we made a rest stop." Parks and Rick shared this photo on Reddit, where he says he cleaned up over 50 pounds of junk from the McAlpine Creek Greenway. Another image on Reddit shows a guy who picked up 8,000 cigarette butts. The caption read, "My friends and I have been saving the cigarette butts we collect so we can send them in to be recycled. This is about 2 months worth of butts from 4 blocks on Polk Street in San Francisco." Not only that, but they created a map of all the cigarette butts they collected in their first month and set up cigarette disposals at the hotspots. Cigarette butts are awful for the environment, and it's one of the things that people throw away without even thinking. You finish your cigarette and then you toss the butt on the ground. But that cigarette butt contains a ton of toxic chemicals and carcinogens, and they end up in our oceans, lakes, and rivers. It's cigarette butts that are polluting our oceans more than plastic straws, and they take decades or more to decompose. But you don't see anyone thinking about banning cigarette butts, with the exception of Singapore. The Trashtag challenge has spread across the world, from the United States to Thailand and Taiwan. The next time you throw a piece of trash on the ground, think about this for a second. Yes, humans create byproducts that end up entering the ecosystems. Plastic waste is one of the worst. When you carelessly throw away plastic products like grocery bags and water bottles, the landfills overflow and drains become clogged. Then the plastic can end up out at sea, where animals like turtles or dolphins eat the plastic. Plastic is not good for an animal's digestive system. It blocks their stomach and intestines and prevents them from getting the nutrients they need to survive. Animals can't break down plastics in their digestive systems, so they will most likely die. And I know that you're all probably aware about the Great Pacific Garbage Patch by now. If you're not, a huge continent-sized floating pile of trash in the Pacific Ocean keeps on getting bigger and bigger. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is a medley of plastic waste, chemical sludge, and debris that's been trapped by ocean currents. Animals eat this trash thinking that it's food, and then guess what? Unless you're a vegan or a vegetarian, you eat those animals. According to a recent study, microplastics were unknowingly ingested and found in human poop. So please, pick up your trash. Pick up other people's trash. If we all do our part, the world's trash problem will be solved, and we can all enjoy the outdoors the way it should be enjoyed. Trash free. Now that that's settled, I'm gonna wrap up this video with some comment features. Flora said, "I always end up watching the backgrounds instead of the video." The backgrounds are pretty trippy, eh? I don't blame you. Shout out to our editor Tessa for the amazing backgrounds. Oh, RuxQ said, "I love you so much. You are the best news channel ever." Well, you are the best potato ever. Pokemon Cat said, "If you wore a green shirt, would you just be a head and arms?" Yes, I would. It really sucks because I love green. I have a lot of green shirts and I can't wear them to work. If I do wear a green shirt, the editor usually changes it to blue. Serena Santiago said, "Wow, almost 6 feet. You must have some big potatoes. You go, girl." Yeah, dude. Secret to growing tall, I eat a lot of potatoes. That's actually a joke. The secret to being tall is to have tall parents. Rich Rach said, you should make playlists of each reporter. I need to know which videos Charlotte is on. That's a tough one. We probably won't do that. I will tell you a secret though, Johnny will only appear on IO Wednesdays to Sundays. He doesn't work Monday and Tuesday, so those are the days that I'm the only host. Anyways guys, that is all for this video. Make sure you keep watching IO by clicking on this playlist, and obviously if you liked this video you should leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so I can see you in a future IO video.